Using technology in the classroom. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Kahoot, which is an online tool, and we're going to choose kahoot.com. And then you simply log in. You can either log in with your Google profile or your Microsoft. So I'm just going to click on login. I've been here before, so it remembers me. And then we're going to search for a game called Idioms. It's a quiz game. I'll just choose the first one that popped up. And this is what the tutor does. So on their screen they would push play, and the screen can be projected up onto a projector. We're going to do player versus player on devices, so we're going to push classic. So this is the tutor setup, and it's on the projector, and then what the students do is on their mobile devices they go to kahoot.it and see how it's waiting for a game pin, so they enter the same pin as what's on the screen, 918992. They put it on their device, push enter. Then it asks for an alias, and you just got to make sure that it's an appropriate alias, so I'm going to do that. And then you can see there's one player who's popped into the game. You wait for everyone to enter the game, and then you push start. So I'm setting this up with just myself, so we're going to start the game. And then this is 10 questions. The questions are timed, and I usually call out the questions and then call out the answers. On the student's device they only have the colour and the shapes. So I chose the right answer, and then you wait for everyone to answer, and then the tutor has complete control of the game, so they push next. And at the moment Jamie is in front with 788 points. They get points for answering correctly, but also answering quickly before the time is up. Push next and it goes on to the next question, and then the options again, and then the student chooses their answer. So I'm just going to pause this so we can get to the end of the game so you know what happens at the end. So we're just on the last question. So the student chooses their answer, and then you push next, and then the game finishes, and it shows you a leaderboard of who's at the top and how many points they got. It's a very enjoyable way to include students. It's very interactive and they seem to enjoy it. I have adult students in my class and they just seem to love these Kahoot quizzes. Thank you for watching.